My name is Roberto, and today I'm very excited to introduce you to our project. We're combining IoT with blockchain to improve the air quality and find a better way to deal with the air pollution problem. Before we start, let's have this question in mind. Do you think that clean air has a value? We know clean water does because, we go to the shop and we pay for clean water. And why is that? Because if we drink dirty water, we get sick. So I want you to please think about this concept. How can clean air has a value? You probably know that if you breathe polluted air, you're going to get sick, either in the short term or long term. However, we know that the problem, like macro speaking, is because there is a lot of burning, cars, industrial waste, but as individuals, we cannot really control that. What we can control is the indoor air quality inside here, for example. So what we have right now we have health-conscious individuals that they normally own an air purifier at home because they are aware of the dangers of breathing polluted air. We also have businesses that they have invested a lot of money in things like air purifiers because they know that if they have better air quality inside, they might be able to attract new customers. But at the moment, there is no way we can link these two groups together. What we want to create, or what we have created at AirDeveloppa, is the first ever clean air ecosystem. In this ecosystem, we can generate clean air with our air purifiers. We can measure clean air using our air quality monitor, which is going around there. Then people can find clean air using our application. When you combine all this together, on top of this, we can create a clean air economy and therefore profit from clean air. This is our air purifier. Was our first product that we sold 3,000 units in Thailand. It has very good reviews in Shopee and Lazada. This is our IoT device, which measures PM 2.5. It can communicate with all air purifiers around, and it sends data. It can connect to Wi-Fi to send data to our back end. We have our application that it's available right now on the Android store. In this app, you can find the real-time air quality of different businesses across the city, such as coffee shops, restaurants, co-working spaces. You can scan the device to get some crypto rewards, which I'm going to talk now, and you can find more information about the different businesses. So how does this clean air economy works? Because we cannot control every business, we're not sure if these businesses are going to cheat, like, for example, putting the air quality monitor on top of an air purifier. That way, if they do that, then the network is not going to be good because it's not going to be trustworthy. So what we're going to do, we have the verifiers. So what are the verifiers? The verifier is any person, it could be you, it could be me, that goes inside the business and they give a rating to the business. They do this by scanning a QR code on the device from the app, and then they give a rating to rate if the business is doing a good job of cleaning the air and being honest. When the verifier does the rating, the business will get the rating points, which will further boost or decrease its exposure in the app. And then the verifier gets a small reward in either Bitcoin or any other stable coin. Then what happens if we have so many devices and so many people trying to verify? Imagine some Grab drivers, they go to every business, they try to scan. It will drain too much money out of the system. It will make it unsustainable. So what we want to do is to create NFTs of areas of the city. So for example, an NFT of Niman, an NFT of Santitam. That way, this NFT can be owned either by one wallet or many wallets, and it's basically owning a piece of land in our small metaverse of air quality, which will then link the NFT owners with the verifiers through a smart contract. And every time a verifier wants to verify a location, it will have to pay a small commission to the NFT owners. How does our project benefits Chiang Mai community? So we provide, the most important one is that we provide transparent, accurate, real-time air quality data, which will help people to make better decisions when the air pollution gets really bad. People then can find places with clean air, and that will protect their health. it will, well, Chiang Mai is full of small businesses. If you go around Niman or Santitam, you will see like so many small coffee shops, gyms, co-working spaces. So our solution is basically a marketing solution for business to be able to find more customers. Yeah, it will also benefit the community because they can earn a small income by helping the network to be more secure and trustworthy. Our business model and sources of revenue, at the moment we sell our air purifier online and in retail shops. We want to offer the service of appearing in our app as a monthly subscription. So we give the hardware and we put the business on our app by a subscription, the same way you get Wi-Fi. You go to AIS, they give you a router. It's the same thing. And then every time people accumulate certain balance in the app and they want to withdraw to their application, we want to charge a small withdrawal fee for doing that. Right now we're in stage 1. We've built our MVP and we're testing it in Chiang Mai. And the next stage is to go to Bangkok. And after that's done, we want to implement the NFT part. And then, air pollution is not just in Thailand, it's in many, many countries. So we're designing our system in a modular way to make sure it can be applied everywhere. At the end of the day, we don't want to be a hardware company, we want to be a software company, so we want to create licenses. So different manufacturers like Xiaomi or whatever, they can make their own sensor and then join our network. Like I said, we are B2B and we approach small businesses, in particular businesses where people come and spend their time. Gyms, coffee shops, shopping malls, restaurants, and so on. These are some of our customers for air purifier. Right now we have 22 businesses enrolling in Chiang Mai and around 100 active users. I'm running out of time. Thank you.
First question, I like to like you to further elaborate about your hardware. So is that hardware you made by yourself or you kind of outsourcing from China?
Yeah, so on the team part, we're a very high-skilled technical team. I'm an electronics engineer myself, so I designed the whole hardware.
Whoa, awesome.
And then Aaron, our mechanical design engineer, he also designed the enclosure. And we manufacture here in Chiang Mai in San Kampang.
Wow, okay. So all made in Thailand?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. From your business model, it seems like it's more like a subscription and also hardware instead of like future selling on the retail, right? What do you think about your next step to kind of pushing your sales volume to be more mass adoption?
We have to do a lot of education to educate people about the issue of air quality. We're looking for funding so we can create a team of salespeople. We need a lot of good Thai salespeople to help us position in the market, not only with small businesses, but imagine Cafe Amazon, for example. Awesome. If Cafe Amazon can install one of our devices in each of their branch, it will be very big and it will be very beneficial for everyone.
So have you approached to those big corporate, for instance, Amazon Cafe that you mentioned?
Yeah, I try, but as a foreigner, it's quite hard. So yeah, that's why we're looking to enroll Thai people in our team as soon as possible.
Okay, thank you.